Blessed day po sa ating lahat mga ka-diary. Ayan, today is Sunday po. And meron po kaming event. Ayan, mahangin po sa labas and naka-wear po ako ng mask kasi medyo inuubo po ako ngayon. Andito po kami sa MRT station. Ayan, ito po yung Migrant Writers of Singapore team. Ayan, waiting po kami sa mga kasama namin para po pumunta ng National University of Singapore para sa writing collaboration. So, ayan. Isa na lang po yung inaantay namin. Paalis na po kami. So, ayan nga po. On the way na po kami sa NUS. Ayan, yung mga kasama ko. Hello, ate. Ayan yung dalawang pretty lady. Hi! Ayan mga ka-diary, nandito na po kami sa NUS. O, diba? So, andito na po kami. Kabababa lang po namin sa bus. So, ito po yung buong team. So, ayan. Okay, so, susundan namin itong taga-NUS. So, siya po yung sumalubong sa amin. So, siya po yung, ewan ko po kung ano pong, saan niya po kami dadalhin. Magse-selfie nga daw po, ayan. So, ayan po, ayan, papunta na po kami doon sa, kung saan po kami dadalhin ng aming guide. Yes, this is the he's saying that this is the dining hall. Yeah. Ang laki. Ang laki ng dining hall nila. Ayan. So, sabi niya kanina, doon daw po yung kinukuhanan nila ng food. So, ayan. So, this is our second stop. Okay, nauna po kanina yung canteen nila, yung pinaka-canteen nila. Okay, so, ayan. Mga estudyante daw po yung mga yan. Oh, siya yun. Siya yun, ito siya, oh. Yung nagtutur sa amin.
This is the online tab. We will be inside here. Yes, but we will not go here because I will show you the toilet also.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Welcome to university.
Thank you. Wow, welcome home, captains. Oh, this is...
Can you help me open the lights? Yes, that one. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so ito na po siguro yung place namin.
Hi. It's called lightning rounds. So the purpose of this is every 5 minutes we will come up with a writing together in our group. You don't have to make it very good. It does not need to be perfect, but at 5 minutes we will stop. Okay, then we will share a little bit, put it up on the boards, and we will go for it the next 5 minutes. So for this, actually you can stay in your groups. The paper is here in the center. We have colored paper, we have white paper, we have masking tape, and we also have stickers that Dr. K provided.
And the college
Just now you guys saw the wall of pictures, right?
Yeah.
Then I'm from the blue color one. So this is the blue color one. And then the other colors are on the table. Dr. K's group, actually if y'all want to move to this seat a little bit, it might be better so that you can see the TV. We realized your position cannot see. So yeah, sorry. But that's about it. Yes.
Can take our picture three.
Okay, Ken.
Sister.
Singapore, okay.
So this is the NUS food court. This is NUS food court, right?
It's one of them. There's quite a few around in the US in fact. There's like more than 10.
Oh, okay. So now it's lunchtime. We are going to look for our team. Yeah. So mga ka-diary, after po nung writing na ginawa po namin doon, tinur po kami dito sa loob ng NUS. So nakarating na po kami sa food court. So dito po hindi lang po mga estudyante ang nandito ngayon kasi nga Sunday. Marami rin pong mga ibang mga tao. I mean, may mga parents, mga guests. Yan. So ayan, lalabas na po kami ng canteen nila. I mean food court. So ayan, pupunta po kami sa kung saan other parts.
Tuition fees for other students who need. Yes, correct.
Grabe po mga ka-diary, ang laki po ng school. Ayan, tingnan nyo ito. Rock climbing po ata tawag dito. Ayan, tingnan nyo po yung mga tao sa baba. So, yung team ko, ayan, dalawa sila. Nauna na silang maglakad. So, mga ka-diary, yung campus po nila dito, hindi mo po siya makikitang hindi mo po siya parang mahahalata na school pag nasa labas ka lang kasi yung mga buildings po dito is parang parang mga bahay ganon. So meron din po sila nito resource sorting.
With this other business organization called Forward Coffee, which is run by a person who came from camp. So he was captain originally. And then so they had this collaboration, and the college have this. So inside are coffee packets that you guys can use. And it's all biodegradable. So yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll just
Thank
take
you.
one pass.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, then we go first. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.